In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting without installing Zoom. This straightforward process ensures you can connect to your Zoom meetings hassle-free directly from your web browser, which is particularly useful if you're on a device where you can't or prefer not to install additional applications. To kick things off, you'll need to have the Zoom meeting link handy, usually provided by the meeting host via email or a calendar invite. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you trust, and type in or copy and paste the meeting link directly into the address bar. Hitting enter will bring you to the Zoom meetings landing page. As the page loads, you might notice a prompt urging you to download or run the Zoom application. Ignore that for now. Instead, look for the option that says join from your browser. It's typically located right beneath that download button. By clicking on join from your browser, you're opting to bypass the app installation process entirely and proceed using the web interface. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your name. This is the name that other participants will see when you're logged into the meeting, so use whatever identifier you're comfortable with or whatever might be requested by the host. Once you've entered your name, press the Join button to proceed. Now, the next step is important for ensuring full participation in the meeting. If this is your first time joining via your current web browser, you may be prompted to allow access to your microphone and camera. A simple notification will appear asking you if Zoom can utilize these features. Granting these permissions ensures you can not only hear and see others, but also be heard and seen if that's necessary for your meeting. This pop-up might slightly differ depending on which browser you're using, but it usually requires just a click or two to allow it, and just like that, you're in the meeting. You're now a full participant without having to install the Zoom app itself. You have access to the chat, can view screen shares, and if permitted, turn your own video on or off. This method is a convenient alternative for those who may be using a public computer, a borrowed device, or just want to save space on their machines. Remember, while this web-based approach offers much of the full app's functionality, some features might be slightly restricted or look a bit different. However, for most typical meetings, this should work perfectly. So there you have it. In just a few clicks, you're ready to engage in any Zoom meeting without the extra step of installation. Enjoy your meeting, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.